How to whiten your teeth at home. Best teeth whitening methods. In this video we will talk about both natural and over-the-counter teeth whitening methods that can be done at home. How can I whiten my teeth at home? If you want to whiten your teeth, here are a few popular at-home treatments. Many people use whitening toothpastes to aid in removing surface stains as part of a risk-free daily cleaning routine. For more aggressive teeth whitening at home, gel whitening kits and whitening trays are available. The trays are filled with a peroxide-based gel and worn for up to an hour. Hydrogen peroxide, which is a natural bleaching agent, can be used to whiten teeth. Bleaching is a chemical process that uses the oxidative chemical to break down color-causing molecules and change or remove those bonds. For the ultimate at-home teeth whitening experience, dentists suggest using both whitening kits and whitening toothpaste. Although whitening toothpastes alone aren't able to soak into the enamel and bleach the teeth, dentists say they work great in conjunction with whitening kits by removing stains and making the teeth appear whiter. Read the ultimate list of frequently asked questions about teeth whitening. Visit the link in description below. What are the best natural teeth whitening ingredients? Papaya, strawberries and pineapple are three fruits that have been claimed to help whiten your teeth. Papaya fruit contains an enzyme that may help to whiten teeth. Papain and bromelain, which are enzymes that occur in papayas and pineapples respectively, may both help to whiten teeth. A 2012 study found preliminary evidence that solutions containing these ingredients could offer modest whitening effects. How to whiten teeth with strawberries. Strawberries are widely used for teeth whitening because they do not have any harmful effect and at the same time, they are cheap as well. It is an effective home remedy as it removes stains from our teeth caused by red wine, coffee, and dark sodas. Can I whiten my teeth with strawberry and baking soda? Whitening your teeth with a strawberry and baking soda mixture is a natural remedy that has been made popular by celebrities. Read the ultimate list of frequently asked questions about teeth whitening. Visit the link in description below. Does baking soda whiten your teeth? Science has not yet proven that brushing with plain baking soda will whiten your teeth, but several studies show that toothpaste containing baking soda has a significant whitening effect. You can use baking powder or over-the-counter toothpastes containing baking soda. They have been shown to have antibacterial properties. However, they are not so effective and/or stable. How to whiten teeth with coconut oil. While the baking soda scrubs the teeth, the coconut oil kills the germs, protecting the teeth and giving you sweet-smelling breath in the process. What is the best homemade teeth whitener that really works? 5 homemade teeth whitener that seems to work are: 1. Baking soda teeth whitener. 2. Strawberry teeth whitener. 3. Strawberry and baking soda teeth whitener. 4. Apple cider vinegar. 5. Banana peel teeth whitener. Read the ultimate list of frequently asked questions about teeth whitening. Visit the link in description below.